Howdy guys. Howdly hoodle. Hope we're doing well. Sorry it took this long. YouTube Studio decided to be a absolute delight of a resource and stopped functioning. Let me just put that there and then full screen this. So yes, we are back with LFS. Okay, we are restarting LFS. Oh god, no. Don't break these. There we go, there's that. There we go. Right, so we just quickly do that. Right, so good news is we are starting off well. I don't know why it's insistent on saying it has 2 monitors instead of 1, but it does. Hello Pip, how we doing? It's funny because if I say that too many times, if I say your name too many times, Pip, I'll have a cat come attack me. Because there's a cat here whose name is Pip. Right. So I need to open up Sublime Text. And then find out where exactly I left myself. So I got as far as libxfs4 util, which then needed startup notification, which then needed XCB util, and which then needed libxcb. Oh, trust me. The cat will do it anyway. Pip. Pip. You're not Pip, you're Sock. I just got looked at as if to say, I'm not Pip, how dare you? Right, so we need to go to sources. Oh, thank God for a frame buffer. So, we were at the point of diddly d, where is it? So, libxfs4 util, so like some scratch.org. Right, so we need to get libxfs4 util done. We can then continue onwards, so read online. Stable BLFS. So it's going to be this. And then there's libxfs4 util, which requires a startup notification. No, okay, that's not right. Because we're doing an XFCE environment. XFCE. Unless it was libxfs4 UI. It was libxfs4 UI because there's startup notification, which is required xorg libraries and XCB util. And XCB util needs libxcb, which is there. Okay, good. Right, back to where we were. I'm eating from a jar of M&Ms as well. Right, so I need to, where is it? I said, where is it? It's here, I'm being stupid. Right, pop out chat. Minimize this down. Minimize that, and that, and that. Put that there. No. Always on top that one. Okay, good. So now, I have that. I have you being chat in the right place. There we go. So, do I have libxiu? So there is libxiu, which means I've done it, because unless I've done it, well, if it's here, I've done it. So there's libxiu. What about xcb proto? There's libxcb proto. Okay, good. Yeah, Howdy, Peter. Right, so I now have libxdm. Yes, I've done that one as well because it's got libxdmcp. There it is. So what I need to do for libxcb, I need to set up xorg configs. It's nice when they do that. Do I have dbus? Where is dbus? There is dbus. Okay. Okay, so I need to do libxcb first before I can do anything more. So I've done this so many times now. I've got the xorg config commands already bookmarked. So export xorg prefix equals /user, export xorg config equals thank you, export xorg config equals quotation hyphen prefix equals xorg prefix this conf dir sysconf dir equals /etc. Hello, Miss Love. Hello. How we doing, my friend? YouTube took a while to be able to function this morning with YouTube Studio. I just didn't want to know, so that's why we have a slightly delayed start. Stated IR equals /var and then disable static. Have a look at spell, and a good thing I can, because there we go. There's that done. Okay. So now that I've done that, we can now proceed onwards with not xorg libraries, because I can't touch that until I've done libxcb. Right, so do I have libxcb? Libxcb, I do not. So, okay. wget https:// xorg.freedesktop.org /archives/individal /lib/libxcb 1.16.tar.xz. There we go, that's much better. That's a good point. Where am I? Okay, so r-xvf libxcb dot. And it's concerning. Why do I already have an extracted version of that? Huh. Rip. Oh, I have a oh, I've got the command somewhere. Where am I? Oh, where am I having a dumb? Where is it? Oh, so I already have. Yeah, right. Where is the grep command gone? Bim cat near fetch get no. Where is? I should really start writing these bloody commands down. That would make life significantly easier, wouldn't it? Where is ELF? Oh, that's good. That's very good. Where is? Oh, hang on, I'm being dumb. So, ls pipe rep lib xcb. There we go. Right, so I've accidentally done that again. Whoops, oh well. So libxcb. Libxcb. xcb. Right, so clear. Where are we? We are there. So, what I now need to do, /configure configure xorg config. Help if you could spell, wouldn't it, you idiot? Xorg config, and then without doxygen. So without doxygen, and then we want to do. Oof. That is definitely a killer deal, my friend. God damn. Yeah, this is why we love Intel for. Still, that's not bad at all. Look, even if the CPU don't work, you've still made an absolute bloody killing. Because for that price, you couldn't get that you couldn't get that graphics card for €130. So even if the CPU doesn't work, you can just you still made a killing. So good stuff. Brace data directory. Not a brace. That's a brace. Data directory. Okay, we are doing handbags at door now. We do tell doc lib xcb -1.16. Now I want to know what's going on here. Third time make today. Oh, that is it. I agree with Miss Lab. That is a better deal. Damn. That's 64 terabytes for free. Nice. Time make full. I don't like all of that red. But still, 64 terabytes is. It's 64 terabytes and you paid nothing for it, so that is really good. Xorg prefix. Share. Doc. I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry about that. Lib xcb lib xcb -1.16. Thank you. Thank you very much for the blessing. Oh, I remember seeing that message and then not quite being coherent enough to respond to it. Right. So. arm-r lib xcb. So we want to do ls grib lib xcb. Okay, good. So arm-r lib xcb .1. I mean, if they're well, here's the thing. Even if it doesn't work, even if they don't work, you have something to drop kick down a set of stairs whenever you're pissed off and you just want to take anger out on something. You've got something to drop kick down the stairs. I mean, it's not like it's got anything on it that's needed. So if you really don't want to deal with it, just drop it down some stairs. See how far you can launch the thing. What could possibly go wrong? Don't answer that. And then font config. Context, my friend. But yes, I know. It's just an idea. Do I have free type? Okay, so I need libxcb. Well, now that I've done libxcb, it is recommended that I What? Now I've done libxcb. Because I've got libxau and the xcb proto, and I've done xdmcp. So now I need to do xcb util. So if I just check my Sublime documentation here, so what is it? xcb util. Okay. So let's do libxcb util. Xcb util. Okay, so that's not there. I'll tell you what, let's have a check, shall we? Let's check eBay of all places. So, there are. That's funny. That's funny because it's the exact same hard drive that Peter was just mentioning. I can get myself a used 8 terabyte Seagate Barracuda for $200, which isn't so bad. But then again, by the same token, I can get myself a SAS drive. That's a 7200 RPM SAS drive for less. So swings and roundabouts, really. What was I doing? XCB util. Right, so there's Xorg. Hello. Go get yourself something to drink. Hello. You need to go get yourself something to drink, go. Yeah. And then go lie back down on the sofa and look at me. I can tell, I can see it in your eyes, you feel like. So go get yourself something to drink. Go get yourself something to eat. And go sit in the living room. Told you we would hear you. You'll be okay. Even Joseph wants your attention now. Right, what was I doing? Ah, yes, XCB util. Yes, that is what I was doing, right. Sorry, brain needed to catch up, so... W get... W get HTTPS... oh, yeah, well, swings and roundabouts. freedesktop.org slash... dist slash xcb hyphen util hyphen 0.4.1.xz. I mean, you could do it now if you just wanted to wait for the if you wanted to wait for everything. XCB util cd xcb. Don't go crazy. Quick, I'll make the operating system work. Nice seeing you again, Miss Love. I hope you're doing well, my friend. Yes, I'm now stable internet again and late start because YouTube Studio was being stupid. Right, so okay, we are there. So clear, and then /configure. This is for XCB util. Configure using xorg config, and I make minus say. I am debating on whether I want to install ZSH now. And I know what my issues were. Alright. Time make inst. Okay, so now we've got XCB util done. I can now do startup notification, which is required that I do Xorg libraries. So we move on to the Xorg libraries now. This is going to be fun. Sorry. Sorry. Right, so where are we? We are here. So leave the directory, remove the directory, make a new one. So make directory xorg, td xorg. So this is going to be painted in the derriere. Yes, Peter. You can recommend something if you'd like. GitHub.com/test. Is it what? app7.md5? No, that's lib7.md5. Okay, where is it? You know that's probably going to be worth it. Okay. Okay, this is... Oh, I've got I've got to find out which one it is now. Did I call it something dumb like xorg file? I did call it something dumb like xorg file. Okay, right. So this is going to be called lib-7.md5. Comment changes, comment changes. Right, there we go. So what I now need to do, because I've got to... yes, it did. Either that or I'm just running chat and top chat mode and not... No, YouTube did remove your message. What the hell? Huh. Strange. Right, what am I doing? Rain catch up. That's it. So we need to do wget https://raw.github user content.com/nick /1/test main/ what is it? lib-7.md5. Okay, so for the cat, that is correct. So what I now want to do for the Xorg libraries is, now that I've got my list, libxshm. Okay, that's good. That is strange. So make directory lib cd lib grep-v apostrophe delta hash apostrophe space dot slash lib-7.md5 pipe awk apostrophe brace print $2 brace apostrophe. You have to send it to me by Discord then. wget -i-c enter -b capital B https:// www.x.org. The URL Elon Musk wishes he could have /pub/individl /lib and then and there we go, and md5 sum and c dot slash lib hyphen 7 MD5. So providing I've done this correctly. All of these should download, because the first time... Oh my god. I forgot the slash at the end. I was about to say, providing I've done this correctly, this should just work. It didn't. Because I forgot to put the slash in the end, didn't I? That's annoying. I hate when I do that. It's really annoying. Right, now that I've done that. Right. So I will be installing all this as root user. Because I'm not going to mess around with it. So, rep some command test suite. If I wish to execute them on the comment out the rm-rf below. So after all the libraries are installed, I can come back to the corresponding directory and run make check, or do individual builds running the test suites. Right, so what I want to do, grep-a9 summary asterisk make check log. Okay, never mind them. This starts a shell over the top. You can see the difference between this bash doesn't have this bash here doesn't have a comma and the apostrophe in front of it. This one does. The apostrophe in front of it means it is not the it's not a subshell. So I now must install all of the commands, install all the packages by running the following command. I hope to hell that I actually have a file for this. Because I'm not going to be... Oh, I'm going to have to do it by hand, aren't I? Yeah, I'm going to have to do this one by hand. Okay, so how many attempts is it going to take for me to do this properly? So, okay, so for package in $brace, bracket, not brace, bracket, grep -v apostrophe delta hash apostrophe / lib -7 md5 space pipe space awk apostrophe brace print, and then $2. I want to do brace apostrophe flat. And then we want to do packaged IR equals $, brace package percent .tar question mark z apostrophe asterisk brace. I see what that's doing now. So tar-xf to do $package push d package agdir doc directory is going to be doc directory equals quotation doc dir equals xorg prefix /share /doc / packaged pack agdir package dir, yeah, package dir Then let's do quotation. Next one. So case is $, package, PACKAGEDIR, in libx font. Sorry about that. Font 2 hyphen square brace, a square bracket 0 to the 9, square bracket asterisk space bracket / configure configure x $sign $x org config. And to do, where is it? Doc directory, disable devel docs. Now I want to do semicolon lib xt there, square 0 to the 9, square asterisk bracket / configure xorg config. I hate this. This is fun. xorg config is doc directory / with app default equals /etc /x11 /app defaults. Enter semicolon. Next one, lib xpm hyphen square brace 0 to the 9, square asterisk and then space. Okay, we're nearly done with this bloody command. Yay. And dot / configure xorg config doc directory equals disable open z file semicolon. Next one, asterisk space bracket dot / configure xorg config, and then doc directory, and then we're going to do that ESAC make time make -30, and then hash make check 2 into the 1, 2 into the and 1, 2 into the and 1, post pipe p dot / packaged ir make underscore check.log as root make install pop d rm space -rf, and then $ packaged ir as root /sbin /ld config. Oh my god, please be done already. ld config, and done. Oh my god. I am just doing this as a GitHub command because that was a waste of time. Okay, good. I did that as a X install. Right, so wget https:// github raw.github user content.com /Matthew/1 test /main /x install chmod +x x install dot slash x install. Okay, hopefully it's got about hash for this time round. Because I'll be honest, I'll be absolutely mightily annoyed if that doesn't work, because the amount of effort I put in. Right. So the hope is it's fine. Can you guys also let me know how the bitrate looks your side? Because I'm currently screaming this across to YouTube at 6.5 megabytes per second. Because for some reason, the only way to be able to get you a clear image is to broadcast it at 6.5 megabytes per second. Thank you, YouTube. You are a absolutely wonderful tool. Oh God, what is it? Hang on. Cat X install. What more do you want? Do I have to go through every single one of these bloody pack? Oh, I've got to go through every single one of these packages and do it. So, because this is deciding to be a absolutely wonderful tool, I've now got to go through every single one of these packages and install them by hand. At least I think I'm going to have to. Well, no, I'm not going to. Oh, I know why. As root bracket brace if square $EUID equals 0 bracket bottom comma semicolon then $asterisk elif square bracket hyphen x slash user in sudo, and then that semicolon then sudo $asterisk else is going to be su-c //. I'm going to do quotation $asterisk // quotation by brace export -f as root. No, / install x install. Right, hopefully Hopefully this works. Well, that appears to be working because I'm actually seeing a lot of .los this time around. I'm seeing library objects this time around, which I didn't see the first time, which is always a good sign. So, providing exget error database, what? Providing this is done correctly, I shouldn't have any issues. Okay, that's ISO. It's generating a load of .3s. Okay. Please enjoy your Please enjoy the video with your bitrate. I hope your video tastes nice. So what, we just got to wait for this. Hopefully, we shouldn't have any issues this time around. Because I'm alive and breathing, Ben. How we doing, my friend? Might have sorted out myself a job. Which is very good. It's good you're doing good, my friend. I am now lucky enough at the minute to the fact that this appears to be working. Emphasis on appears to be. Because this is XOR Globbers. And there are a lot of entries into this. Which is ever so annoying. Alright, it's right, change the name of it to something else. So. That's not the one I selected. Oh, yeah, this is really long and painful and annoying. Right. So, now this appears to be working. There are, how many lines are there here? There are 31 packages I need to install. And it looked like I was about to have to do these by hand. Because, looking at the XORG libraries page, it quite literally says there is a way to install all these manually. You can run the entire script as a root user, use the sudo command from the sudo package, or use su -c, then the command arguments, which will ask the root password for every iteration of the loop. Or I can create a bash function that automatically selects the appropriate method. Now, you see, I didn't use the bash function to select the that's good, because it didn't kick us out. This is good, which now means I can do exit. So this has worked because it's gone from having a hyphen, well, having no hyphen in front of bash, to having a hyphen in front of bash, which means this subshell is finished without error. Because if a subshell encounters an error, it'll kick you out and back to the main shell. But because there was no error in this subshell, we're now good. Thank God. Right. Now that we've done this, we now just need to create a link. So ln-sv $xorg prefix _ prefix, there we go, /lib /x11 space /user lib /x11 and link -sv xorg prefix /include /x11 space /user include /x11. Right. Hopefully, we're one step closer to actually getting this functioning this time. Right. Because I needed all of that to be able to do startup notification. Where are we, by the way? Okay, we're back down to sources. Good. I needed that for startup notification. So, grep. No. ls pipe grep and startup. Okay, it's not there. So, get https:// www.freedesktop.org/ software / startup notification / releases / startup notification -0.12.tar.gz, not xz. What she said. Ah, yes. Help if I could spell desktop. Desktop. Yes. Hello, I am the desktop. Hello, I am the. Oh, why didn't that work? Oh, that's why, because it's supposed to be releases, not release. There we go. tar-xvf startup notification cd startup notification. What do I need to do here? /configure prefix equals /user -- disable static and then and time make -30. Okay, that went through without any errors. That's good. Now, as the root user, make install. So make install. Hang on. Time make install. And drop it down on the second line. Thank you. Install verbosely. Thank you. With permissions of M644. Capital D. And then docs / startup notification. .txt / enter and put that into user share doc start up notification -0.12 / startup notification .txt. Done. Okay, I've now done startup notification, which is needed. But it's recommended for this. Do I have... Oh, I don't think I've done GTK. I don't think I've done GTK. I need to do GTK plus. It's a good thing that I have in my notes. Need to do GTK plus. And get rid of those. I'm going to leave the GitHub open for now. So, GTK plus. Open a new tab for GTK plus. Oh, goddamn. Right, first things first, we go do Pango. So for GTK plus, I need Pango, lib epoxy, GDK pixbuff, and ATSPO2 core. For Pango, I need. It is required that I have font config, must be built with 3-type using half-buzz, FreeBIDI, and GLlib. It is also recommended that I have Cairo, G-objects introspection required of building GNOME, and Xorg libraries. I have Xorg libraries. That's done. I'm building XFCE, not GNOME, so I don't need G-object introspection. However, I do need Cairo. Cairo, what does Cairo need? Cairo, it is required that I have libpng and pixman, as well as font config and glib. This is why having 4 monitors would be useful right now. Right. Leave the directory, remove the directory, grep or ls pipe grep font config. Okay, so I don't have font config. What about glib? Okay, so there is glib 2.76.4. So I've done that. Okay. So now I need to do font config. Font config requires free type. Do I have free type? I do not have free type. Okay, so free type. What do you require? Oh my god, kill me. It is recommended that I have half buzz. For half buzz, for half buzz, it is recommended. I have G-object introspection required if building GNOME, glib 2.76.4, which I've already done. Graphite 2, which is required for building TextLive 2023-0313, or LibreOffice 7.6.0.3 with system half buzz. ICU 73.2, free type 2.13.1 after half buzz. So let's look at ICU 73.2. ICU is the international components for Unicode. Warning, upgrading this package to a new major version, for example from 72 to 73, will require rebuilding of many packages. If some packages that use the ICU4C73 are rebuilt, they will require new... Right. Okay, so now I will start with the ICU 73.2. Right, so wget https:// github.com/unicode/org/icu/release-release-73-2. Oh yay. Was nice to know that my numpad was not on anymore. So -73-2/ICU4C/73_2-src.tgz. Oh my lord, this is going to be a pain in the derriere, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Oh well. So tar-xvf ICU CD ICU CD ICU. There we go. EWD right there. So the package expands to the directory ICU. If Clang is available, it will be mistaken to believe that G++ might not support C++11, even though configure is tested for that. If using G++, there will be no unnecessary warning at the end of configure. Building with G++ also takes longer than the estimated standard build unit shown. Right, so cd source, and then /configure with prefix equals /user and time make -J30. There we go. Come on. Right, so I'm gonna need all of this. Lord, I'm gonna need all of this, which is gonna make life hopefully easier. So time make install. Time make install. Right, where are we now? So leave the directory. Okay, so for IC, now that I've done ICU, so I now need to do half buzz, which for half buzz, have I done graphite too? No, I've not done Graphite 2, which requires CMake 3.27.2. CMake 2, oh my god. For CMake 3.27.2, it is recommended that I have curl, libarchive, libuv, and NGHTTP2. So what we're going to do is we're going to do ls grep curl libarchive. Okay, so we don't have that. libuv, don't have that. And then NGHTTP. Okay, so we don't have that. Oh, Lord. Right. We got libarchive 3.7.1. Good. Right. The reason why I'm going with the recommended packages is because even though it's recommended, anyone who's persistently watched my videos know that recommended packages aren't actually recommended, they're mandatory. We know that one the hard way, don't we? So wget.github.com/libarchive/libarchive/releases/downloads/ v3.7.1/libarchive -3.7.1.tar.xz. Thank you. tar-xvf lib archive cd lib archive. Right, for this, here's just /configure prefix equals /user, the usual, disable static, and then and time make -JSO. Bada bing. And whilst that's going on, I will just type the make install command as well. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long. It would help if I could spell install, wouldn't it? Okay. Right. Now that I've done libarchive, I can now go do CMake. No, I can't do CMake because I now need to do libuv. Luckily, libuv doesn't need anything. Alright, so leave the directory, remove the directory. On to the next one, tar-xvf. No. wget https:// dist.libuv.org/dist/v 1.46.0/libuv -v 1.46.0.tar.gz. tar-xvf libuv cd libuv. There we go. Don't know how much I add in the tick there. So so to run this, it's giving me a warning about AC local, which I'm pretty sure I haven't set AC local. So also gen.sh. Also gen.sh and /configure prefix equals /user, and then hyphen disable static, and then and I make -J30. There we go. And the install, this is just the usual time make install. Bada bing. leave this directory, remove this directory, hyphen R. I forgot the name of it, so it's libuv. Right, now that I've done libuv, I can now do ng-http2 for CMake. For ng-http2, and it is recommended that I have libxml2. So ls pipe grep libxml. Okay, so because of the fact that I'd say I've already done it, which is good. So all I need to do now is just do wget https:// github.com/ngHttP2/releases/download/version 1.55.1/ngHttP2-1.55.1/ No, that was correct. Oh, version 1.55.1 ngHttP2/1.55.1.tar.xz. There we go. tar-xvf ngHttp2 ngHttp2. I want to do cd ngHttp2 /configure prefix equals /user \enter disable static \enter enable library only with \enter. Oh, bottom. And then doc directory equals /user share doc ngHttp2 -1.55.1 dot and then and time make mine shit it. Hopefully, come on. There we go. Right, let's go through. I haven't messed up the command this time around. Oh, that took 3 seconds. I love that. And then time make install. Right. Now that I've done ngHttp2. What you doing? You alright? Oh. Alright. Right, now that we've done that, we need to now done ngHttp2. We can now actually do CMake, which we finally need. So to get CMake, we need to leave the directory, remove the directory, and then tar CMake. So get CMake. So wget https:// cmake.org/files/v3.27/ cmake-3.27.2.tar.gz. Thank you kindly. There we go. Oh, I love being several thousand miles away from the actual server. It's fun. It shouldn't have taken 9 seconds to download that. Right. Now that we've done that, we've got a long command. So tar-xvf cmake cd cmake. Right, so sed -i, so apostrophe / quotation lib64 quotation / s/s/64 / apostrophe modules mod modules /gnu install directories .cmake and /bootstrap prefix equals /user /user \enter system libs backslash enter, manual directory equals slash share man backslash enter, no system JSON CPP backslash enter, no system CPP DAP backslash enter, no system library r hash backslash enter, doc directory equals slash share doc cmake dash 3.27.2 and I make minus J30. Yes, no library has. How about I can spell libraries? Library art hash. There we go. Okay, there we go. So actually going through and making it. That's good. So what this is doing is installing CMake, CMake GUI optional, CPAC and CTEST. So once it's done that, what I now need to do is look up Graphite, which is required for half buzz. Because this is all just to get something else working. Because of course it is. So once we've got Graphite done, it's then move on to half buzz, which then move, well, to do free type, I need to install half buzz, then do free type, then reinstall free type. Hang on. So just to make sure I understand this correctly. For half buzz, this is annoying. Okay. So I need to do free type, half buzz, free type. But to be able to get to half buzz, I need to first get Graphite down. But to get Graphite down, I need CMake, which leads me in this ever endless cycle of you need to do this, you need this. Good luck. May the odds be forever in your favor. Which is oh so fun. Remember, if you enjoy this sort of content, don't forget to leave a like, maybe consider subscribing to the channel, where you get access to, well, you get notifications of, hey look, the Dingus is live streaming. Be prepared for some entertainment, or get early access to videos if you become a channel member for as little as £3 a month. You get early access to videos like this week's video, as well as any other, as well as any video that I make, as well as members only posts. But right now we just have to sit, wait, and pray. As was literally nothing else I can do. Because this one is taking a while, even though it's been told to make with 30 cores. I say it's been told to make with 30 cores. I don't know why it's going so slow. I'll tell you what, terminal. How's the CPU doing over there? 75 degrees up. 4 gigahertz, so I reckon it's hitting all cores, which is about right actually. Right. So if I look at resources, yeah, this is an all core load. All 2 of my cores are being hit. So I'll explain why the CPU is just a little bit at what, 75 degrees Celsius, which if you ask me is not that bad considering it could be worse. Right, come on. Come on. Right, once we've got CMAC done, we can then move. We need to get it installed and then move on. So now that that's done, we want to do time make install. Good. So now that we've done CMake, we can now move on to Graphite. So leave the directory, remove the directory. Get the next one, which is this one. So github.com/hello bypassing nuts. How you doing? Yes. Oh shit. Here we go again. Indeed. But this is significantly worse than the first time you've seen it, because we're now currently deep in the rabbit hole of just getting one package works. Just to get one package installed, we need to do 7. So fun. Right. For Graphite 2, it is silnrsi/graphite/releases download / 1.3.14 / graphite 2-1.3.14.tgz. There we go. tar-xvf graphite. Graphite 2 cd graphite 2 cd Thank you. Why weren't you doing that the first time? Annoying. Right. Because for Graphite 2 I needed CMake, I'm done. I've done that, we can move on. Some tests fail if font tools Python 3 modules is not installed. Those tests can be removed. We're not even going to bother with testing it. So it's not a concern. So now that we're here, we want to make directory build, cd build, then cmake-dc make install prefix equals /user dot and time make minus J30. Tastily, very, very fast. Time make install. I do not wish to do documentation. So now that we've done Graphite 2, we can now look at free type and then half buzz. To do free type properly, I must first install free type without half buzz, then install half buzz, then install free type again. Fun. Fun. Where are we at the minute? We are here. So rm-r graphite 2, and I want to do ls pipe rep libpng. We don't have libpng. What about which? Okay, good. So I need to do libpng. Libpng. What do I need to do for you? Libpng does not have any required packages. Thank God. So libpng first, because free type it is recommended that I have libpng in which, however, the recommended are mandatory. No matter what the recommended says, it's actually mandatory. Anyway, now that we've done that, we need to get libpng first. So where are we? We are here. So wget https://downloads.sourceforge.net/libpng/libpng -1.6.40.tar.xz. Okay, it is XZ. Good. I thought, is that a GZ? No, it wasn't XZ because I didn't pay attention. I just automatically assumed XZ. Okay, recommended patch to include animated PNG functionality in PNG, required to use the system libpng in Firefox, SeaMonkey, and Thunderbird. So we'll get that as well. So to do that, it's wget https:// brain catch up, downloads.sourceforge.net, there we go, /sourceforge/libpng-apng. It probably is. I don't know. I've not tried to build Gen 2 yet. But I am literally building everything that I might require. apng.patch.gz. This is more of a, if you wanted to do this particular thing, you can do it also. Just a casual download speed of 1.42 gigabytes per second. I do. If you were to quickly just right click on my name and do open link in new tab and then go to the live section, you'll see Factorio. Just depends. On the minute I'm playing The Last of Us Part 2 as well as a bit Cyberpunk as well as Anno 1800 as well as Factorio. Yeah, we all love Factorio. Right, so tar-xvf for the PNG. Oh, God damn it. I've not done Factorio in LFS. I imagine it would be a bit annoying. But I have played it on Arch because I built it on it. Well, I built an Arch system and then played Factorio on it. Right. Let's apply the ability to give animated PNGs. We can do that with gzip -cd /libpng -1.6.39-apng patch.gz pipe patch-p1. Okay, good. So that's been applied properly. So /configure prefix equals /user disable static and time make -30. I will do once I'm happy to put one up again, because I used to have camera functionality on these streams. It's just when I moved from the UK to Australia, the camera that I was using wasn't actually was my dad's for webcam utilization on Linux, because my Canon Rebel T7 is not supported by Gphoto 2. But his Nikons were, so I ended up having to borrow his Nikons to be able to use them for live streaming. And I don't actually have a webcam. So unfortunately, there's no web camera functionality until I'm a bit more set up and have some more money in my pocket. Disables that. Right, okay, so now that we've done that, it's just a matter of time make install and make directory -v/user share doc libpng 1.6.40. I mean, I know, but I don't have a webcam at the minute, nor do I have a place to put it, nor do I feel set up enough to start utilizing web camera again. And copy -v readme libpng manual .txt / user share doc libpng -1.6.40. Bada bing. Now that libpng is done, I do indeed watch the Dank Man. It is because of him I have bought several iPods and I have repaired them. Did you know the donkey van is immune to chair? It takes 0 HP if you throw a chair at the donkey van. Right. I have known about Wade since it was just Dank Pods and we do love the donkey van. Oh god, what is it? Dank Pods and his music. I've known him for as long as that. So libpng diddly-dee. Right, now I've done libpng. I need to do free type, which then free type without half buzz, then install half buzz. Dankmas. There we go. I couldn't remember it. But yes, I do enjoy the music as well. I'm used to playing his music on Twitch live streams, like all the way through. I would just have a playlist of all of his songs playing all the way through. Depending how long the stream were, it may go through it 2 or 3 times. So leave the directory, remove the directory, libpng. No, because if I had the money to sub to him on Flipplane, I would sub to him on Flipplane, but I don't, so I can't. Right, free type 2. Let's get that down. So HTTP get HTTPS downloads.source.net /free type -2.13.1.hard.xz. And we do love a Franklin. We do love Franklin over here. I love watching all his videos all the way through because you always get to see Franklin at the end of them. Right. That's documentation for free type that I don't want to get, so we don't mess around with that. I'll have an extra free type 2. CD free type. Okay, I'll be here. Right, so for free type, I did not get the additional documentation. So now I need to install free type 2 with clear sed-ri. Let's do quotation s, comma, full stop, asterisk, bracket, aux auxiliary module, module dot asterisk valid bracket colon backslash number the first colon okay, I am trying. There we go. Colon. So modules. What is it? modulefs dot cfg. Then and z-r apostrophe, well, quotation S bracket or colon full stop asterisk. Let's do hash dot asterisk subpixel underscore rendering dot asterisk for colon backslash number the first colon quotation space backslash enter hyphen I includes slash retype slash config slash ft option dot h and dot slash configure prefix equals slash user and then enable retype config disable static and then and time make -j2. Hopefully I've done that. Hopefully if I've done this correctly, which appears I have done, we get that. Time make install. Because I didn't get documentation with it, we're just going to ignore that. What we are going to do is we're not going to remove this directory. What we are going to do is just leave it, go do half buzz, and then come back and redo this. So wget https:// github.com/halfbuzz /half buzz /releases /download /8.1.1 /half buzz asterisk 8.1.1.tar.xz. Now I've got that, we'd cd half buzz. -xvf half buzz, that would help. Half buzz cd half. Right. Recommended dependencies are not strictly required to build the package. However, you might not get expected runtime if you don't install them. That's why I've done it already. Right. We're now in half buzz, aren't we? Yes, we are. So for this one, we need to do make build, make directory build, cd into the build. Mason setup backslash enter prefix equals slash user, the usual stuff, and then build type is release backslash enter, and then hyphen capital D graphite 2 equals enabled and ninja. Right. Hopefully I don't get kicked. One of these packages have a habit of needing like a total of 36 gigs worth of RAM when my system's only got 32 on it, so I might have to make a 100 gig swap space just for it. Right. Good. Now that I've done that, I need to go back to FreeType and redo FreeType. I love how I can do that. Right. Right, FreeType. So that one. Time make install. Good. Right. That's FreeType and half buzz done. Right, so for font config, I needed free type, and now I've just done free type. I can now go, where are we? Where are we? Leave the directory, remove the directory, -r, free type. I didn't remove ICU, did I? rm -r ICU. Anything else that's here that I could probably get rid of? I can leave xorg alone. Half buzz, where are you? Welcome back, by the way, friend. Half buzz is there, so rm-r half buzz. Right. It's font config time. So wget https:// www.free-font-config/release/font-config-2.14.2.tar.xz. November. Back end of it. Right, there's font config. Right, now we've got that, we need to do tar-xvf font config, cd font config. Oh joy, we've got the fun of compilation instructions. So, where are we? We are here. So clear ./configure prefix =/user \enter sysconf dir =/etc \enter local stated ir =/etc \enter. No, it needs to be /var \enter, and then we're going to disable docs \enter doc directory =/user share doc font config -2.14.2 and time make -30. Here we go. Here we go, mate. All going through. I'll make install. Leave the directory. Remove the directory. On to the next one. Right, so now I've done font config, I can look at Cairo. Oh, I need to look for, so ls pipe grep libpng. Okay, well there's libpng. What about pixman? Okay, so I need to do pixman because pixman's not there. Okay, so that's fine. So no, I just need pixman, which is under Cairo graphics. So wget https:// www.cairoprojects Cairo graphics even graphics.org/releases/pixman -0.42.2.tar.gz. I got the I and the R the wrong way around. There we go. But releases. Hope if I could spell correctly. There we go. -xvf pixman cd pixman make directory build cd build, and now I want to do is meson setup prefix equals /user equals /user build type equals release and ninja. This is why having a CPU that has 32 cores is good. And then we want to do ninja install. Done. Right, now I can move on to Cairo. So pwd, where are we here? So rm-pixman. So wget https:// download.gnome.org/sources Cairo 1.17/CAIRO -1.17.6.tar.xz. Good. Right. So, -xvf Cairo. I was having a little bit of snack there, sorry about that. CD Cairo. Right. We need to adapt this for bin utils 2.39 or later, and we can do that with sed apostrophe s/pt_ptr/ space asterisk slash apostrophe -i util Cairo util /cairo trace / lookup symbol .c, and to fix a package config error file that may cause errors later, we do sed -e quote /@ prefix @ /a space exec prefix equals @exec prefix at that followed by that --i util Cairo script /cairo interpreter.pc.in. Yes, it would help if I could spell Cairo correctly, wouldn't it? That would help if I didn't make the same mistake twice, wouldn't it? Cannot read util Cairo script interpreter p. That's because I am being a frank. Okay, I don't know why I'm going wrong there. CAI. I'm spelling Cairo wrong. There we go. I was being kept spelling Cairo wrong, which is hilarious but also annoying at the same time. Right. /configure Prefix equals slash user backslash enter. Disable static backslash enter, enable t and time make -30. I was being as smooth as Franklin was. As smooth as Franklin is even. Right. Now I've done that, it's then time make install. That is the plan. Whether I can or not is another matter, because this is the second attempt of doing it. Right, Cairo's done, which now means I can do Pango. No, it doesn't, because I don't know, Cairo, ls pipe grep right biddy. Nope, don't have free biddy. Yeah, I gotta do free biddy. Free biddy, what does it require? Nothing. Good, I can just do it by itself. Thank God. Also, hello, by the way, mate. I just need a stretch. Oh, God, I'm tired. Right, free biddy. So, wget https github.com/fribidi/releases/downloads/ v1.0.13/fribidi hyphen 1.0.13.tar.xz. Thank you. tar-xvf free biddy cd free biddy. Right, so make directory. Well, hang on, where are we first? So, yeah, make directory build cd build, and then Mason setup prefix equals / user build type equals release, and then and ninja install. Good. I can now go do Pango. So where we leave the directory rm-r free biddy, so I can now do Pango. So wget ftp://ftp.acc.umu.se/hub/gnome/sources/pango/1.50 /pango hyphen 1.50.14.tar.gz. Works that even. Good. Now that I've got that, I have everything else that I need. What I need to do now is do tar-xvf pango cd pango. First, work around a bug in GCC 13 which triggers a false warning that breaks a release build, and we can do that with sed -i. There we go. Apostrophe /array bounds array bounds /d apostrophe space mason.build. I want to do make directory build cd build, and then usual Mason setup Prefix equals /user /enter. Build type equals release /enter. Wrap mode equals no fallback /enter and ninja. Good. I do not have gi.gen installed. I'm not going to do that either, so we just now need to ninja install. Done. Where are we? So leave the directory, remove the directory. On to the next thing. So I've now done Pango and Prebiddy. So for GTK Plus. Oh, that's right. That was just for Pango. Hang on. I've been streaming for an hour and 9 minutes just for Pango. Just for Pango. Now it comes lib epoxy, which requires Mesa. Mesa requires Xorg libraries, which I've done, libdrm and Mako. Mako, what do you require? Mako requires... What do you require? I'm done. I'm done with this for today. The heat's killing me. I don't exactly feel the greatest, and I'm not in the right frame of mind for this. Right. Just remember that I need to do... let me just make a note. Lib. Yeah, I haven't successfully done it either. But I need to call it here because I don't feel great. The heat's killing me. And I'm gonna have to run to the bathroom. If I don't, then things are gonna get brown and sticky, which is less than ideal. You don't get experience without doing it, so I recommend doing it. The more you do, the better it is. The better you become. Right, I need to go run to the bathroom and call it because I'm about to have the curry slurry, which is not ideal. Very much not ideal at all. Anyway, if you liked the stream, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike. If they both seem to work, maybe consider subscribing where you get notifications such as, hey look, Dingus is now live, or when I release videos. Anyway, you guys have all been wonderful as always. I have been Nick, you have been amazing, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, evening, or good night, wherever it is, wherever you are. Remember, when you use Linux, don't panic. I've been Nick, you've been amazing. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.